Well, we have two important weather headlines coming up. Even though it briefly warms up this week, it's about to get a lot colder again this weekend, and then that cold air could also come in at the same time that we get a bigger winter storm forming, so a potential coastal low that could help really cause some fluffy snow if it's coming when temperatures are only in the teens. So briefly it gets milder over the next few days. Thursday looks like the bright spot when we'll be near 50 degrees, but that doesn't last long. Series of cold fronts come in as we head towards the weekend, and we plunge down well below normal into the weekend with the high temperatures only in the teens, and then it's still very cold into next week. So if it does snow, it's going to take a while to clean up because it's going to be so cold. So very cold air in place as we go towards the weekend, and basically energy will be racing across the country from the west, and it could help to put that energy along the coast and form a coastal low. Depending on where that forms, it would help determine how much snow we could get here in the Baltimore area. And a lot of the models are hinting at it's sitting in just the right spot to give us a bigger storm here in the Maryland area. If that low forms just off the coast of North Carolina and then heads out to sea, that could be the spot that gives us the heavier bands of snow all the way up towards Maryland. The problem is the energy that's all going to drive this is still way out in the Pacific. And so until that gets closer to the coast, we won't have as much data on it. So there's still a lot of uncertainty. One other potential is because it's going to be so cold, sometimes that can suppress the snow farther south because the cold air would be so dominant. So although a lot of models are showing a lot of snow, there's still a chance too that it could go farther south, in which case we could get less snow. So I think it's important to look at the big picture here to say, yes, it's going to get very cold, and yes, there is a potential for a big snow. So maybe start thinking about how that would affect you if it's going to snow from Sunday into Sunday night and Monday morning. Temperatures right now are currently in the 20s, so it's been a dry day, but a very brisk, chilly wind. And so it feels like it's in the teens right now, and it's going to feel like it's just that cold into the night. But the temperatures drop to the teens. The wind goes a lot lighter, so overnight we don't have to talk as much about a wind chill. Down to 12, though, here in Baltimore tonight, 8 in York. Tomorrow is still chilly. It's near 40, but that is an improvement, especially with sunshine. Just keep in mind we're still going to get a brisk wind during the day, which adds a little bit of a wind chill during the day Wednesday. Now Thursday we get that improvement near 50 degrees, and then it trends cooler again on Friday. Over the weekend, Saturday now looks dry but very cold. It's not until Saturday night that snow may develop, and it looks especially during the day Sunday where it could be snowing, and then that could last through Sunday night. We'd be dealing with it still on Monday morning. It could be at least several inches of snow depending on how this plans out, but there's still that chance it could miss us to the south. So we'll keep an eye on it. I just expect it to get a lot colder.